If you don't like tech headaches but still want to set up Windows, then try these easy fixes to breeze through partition errors. There's an error selecting this partition message during Windows 10 or 11 setup? Don't worry, it's super common, and it just means Windows and your computer's boot settings aren't quite in sync. Here's the fastest fix. At the error screen, select each partition, click Delete, and turn your drive into unallocated space. Just make sure you've backed up anything important first. Now choose the unallocated space, hit Next, and Windows will handle the rest. Want a more advanced fix? Open Command Prompt with Shift plus F10. Type disk part, select your disk, type clean, then convert GPT. This sets up your drive for modern UEFI systems. If your PC's older, try switching the boot mode in BIOS from UEFI to Legacy. Save changes, restart, and run the installer again. Quick recap. Delete partitions, use disk part for GPT, or change to Legacy mode.